Ever wondered how you can possibly get to turn your small amount of capital into a four-figure amount with minimal risk? So in this video, I'll be explaining to you guys or revealing to you guys how to possibly get to do that with your Bybit account. As long as you have capital into your hands, you can make good profit with that if you're using Bybit the correct way. So in this video, I'll teach you guys a step-by-step guide, but we're going to start from the beginner step, all right? So if you want to watch this video to understand every single thing, then stick around as I put you guys through the step-by-step guide. Every single day, I'll be dropping content on Bybit or how to basically use Bybit the correct way and how you can possibly get to generate money with Bybit. So stick around, watch this video and get a full knowledge of every single thing. Let's jump right straight into my mobile phone right now. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm going to teach you guys the first basic thing you need to do. Alright, you need to download the application. If you are using an iOS, you can basically go to your app store, then type in Bybit. If you're using an Android, you can go to your Play Store. Now, once you come to your account, once you come to the application, you're going to see Bybit, you're going to see Binance, Bitget, other platform, but just download Bybit. Alright, now once you download it, you can easily open it up. And for your first time open it up, they're going to actually help you to guide you through the step-by-step guide, but you will need to automatically sign up an account. All right, you have to easily sign up an account. So you click on it, then you can, if you have your iCloud logged in, you can just use this to like sign it up. If you feel like it's going to be in a secure way for you, you have options to use Google, your app store, or you can use your Telegram. Any of these can actually go. Just make sure to have it signed up. Now this is how the sign up menu basically looks like. All right, you first of all provide your mobile number, and once you provide your mobile number, it's going to lead you up straight to another option. Now the referral code is going to be provided for you. This is the referral code section. You can easily use my link, which automatically gets to impute my referral code right here. And this is also going to help you because all my giveaways are being done to people that are registered under me. So you can easily register your account under me and become a registered member under me. All right, so whenever I share giveaway code on Bybit, you get to automatically receive that code and you can claim your giveaway. All right, so that is something that I want you all to know. Now once I open up my application and I logged in successfully, all right, so this is how the application looks like. It's very friendly, very straightforward. So the first important thing that I'm going to teach you guys how to do is how to actually deposit into your account, like fund your account or buy dollar with your account. All right, the step-by-step guide to do this is very simple. You first of all can follow every single thing I'll be sharing with you guys right now, and at the same time I'm going to teach you guys how to sell it back. All right, so the important thing is that once you come to your home session, on this bar right here, you're going to be seeing where they say trade file. You can see deposits, P2P trade, puzzle hunt, convert, reward hubs, and other. So we're just going to be focusing on the P2P trading. Now this is going to be available based on your country, your currency, and also the particular cryptocurrency you want to buy. All right, so for instance, if you want to buy, there are options for you to buy right from here. These are all options for you to buy, but you get to see the range, the limit price, which is provided right over here, and then the amount of quantity the person has on his or her available balance to sell. All right, so for instance, this person has over $37 to sell for now. This one has over $1,346 to sell. This person has just about $8.7533 to sell. So if you want to buy only stable coins or USDT, you can easily get to do that right from here. And if you want to buy any other cryptocurrency, you can click on this icon where you get to see right here that these are the available cryptocurrency you can buy. Remember, this icon is where you can select. So if you want to buy USDC, if you want to buy directly BTC, if you want to buy directly Ethereum, then this is how you're going to be doing it. All right, now for you to buy USDT, for this video I'll teach you guys how to buy USDT, which is the stable coin, which is also US dollar, which you all know. All right, if you want to buy, you have the options to impute the amount you want to buy from. So you click on this icon, you can easily type in, if for instance you want to buy like 100,000, all right, you can type in 100,000 right here, click on the confirm space. It's going to search around the market and then bring out orders that are starting from at least 100,000 upwards. Then on this spot right here, you get to select within any of the banking system you use. If you want to only buy from people that are using OP, if you want to buy from people that are only using PalmPay, or if you want to buy from people that are only using Fidelity or FCMB, any of these banks, now you can select as multiple banks as you want. That is one thing. All right, You can select as multiple banks as you want. Now, with you choose selecting all these multiple banks, you can basically use any of these banks. But if you want, you can also select all to use all the banks. All right, so you can click on confirm, and right over that here, you're going to be seeing options of people that are willing to sell. All right, now I highly recommend, if you want to buy, stick with people that are verified, because they will not really stress you and they won't want their reviews to be on a bad rate. So they will give you, or they attend to you as fast as possible. All right, and also you can get to check right on their profile. You're going to notice the ones that are online and the ones that are not online. All right, so as for this person right here, this person has been offline for about 15 minutes. As you can see right here under his profile, you're going to be checking right here. You see it's not ticking blue or green. It's not actually showing that it's online. But if you check this person, you can see right here is showing that this particular person is online. So if you click on this person's profile, what you're going to be doing is that you can input the amount you want to buy in Naira right here, or you can click on this to convert it to crypto. So if, for instance, you want to buy $10, all right, you just type in $10 right here, and then you can buy $10. But since you're not buying $10, let's say I want to buy like $100. So if we type in $100, all right, if you type in $100 on this spot, that $100 means that you're going to be paying 154,200 naira. If you come here, if you want to actually buy only 100,000 naira, you come right here, you can type in 100,000. Now, once you type in 100,000, you're expected to pay over 64.850 9 USDT. All right, so that is what you're going to be doing. Then you can click on buy, and this automatically requests you to buy from this particular person. All right, so that is something you should know. So if you click on buy, for instance, automatically this gets to send this particular person a notification that you want to buy. And then once you want to buy, you can click on pay now. All right, and then you can actually see access to pay. So once you click on pay now, you have options to like make your payment into this particular person's account. Do not be scared when you are doing this. All right, the only thing that I will highly recommend you guys not to do is for you to click on I have made payment or confirm that you have paid, unless you receive your coin into your account. All right, so this is something that I want you all to know. Now, if for instance you come over here, you're going to be seeing the person's name, you will see the account number, you will see the branch, you see every single thing. This person is using PalmPay for his withdrawal, and right here they say do not pay Kobo or add crypto words. All right, so that is something you should know. And also they said account number is provided right here. This is the person's name. So if you want to make transfer, you copy the account number, you go to your own bank, and then you select PalmPay, you put the person's account number and make a payment of 100,000 into that person's account. So after you're done making your payment, at least take a screenshot of your receipt, then click on this icon right here, which is going to show you an option to like notify the person that you have made payment. Then the next step is for you to come to the chat menu, and over to the chat menu, you click on this plus sign and upload the receipt of your payment. Now, once you upload the receipt of your payment, automatically this gets to like send your payment receipt to this person, and then it gets notified. So I'm going to cancel this right now because I'm not taking this order. All right, I'm just using this to demonstrate this for you guys. Now, if by any chance you want to like sell back what you have, there are still options for you to sell. All right, and you can also still use the P2P menu, which is very simple. Click on the P2P menu and you can sell back to make money. Now, let me teach you guys something. All right, this P2P menu and the buy menu, they offer you good opportunities to make money. And if you do not know, let me show you guys something right now. If you are buying, right, if you're buying cryptocurrency, there's always a charge attached to it. If you are selling, there's always also going to be a fee attached to it. And if you want to do the buying and selling options, you can easily use your P2P menu to buy and sell to make money for yourself. Now, this is where a lot of people do not know. All right, there are different rates for buying and selling right over here. If you check very well, for instance, this person is selling at 1,540 naira. This person is selling for 1,541 naira. This is a little different between them. All right, if you scroll down a little bit, you will notice right here that people are still selling way bigger. All right, this one is selling for 1,543. So if for instance you want to use the P2P options to make money, I can actually teach you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do that. You can comment below P2P under the comment section, and then I can teach you guys or put you guys through a class, or maybe probably make a video on how to do a merchant trading on the P2P options for you guys. So you click on the sell session if you want to sell. All right, now over to the sell session, you come over right here. What you basically need to do is that you have this cryptocurrency in your account already. You need to have your cryptocurrency in your account. You need to have your cryptocurrency under your funding account. So you need to have your cryptocurrency under your funding account, which is going to help you to be able to sell it. All right, then you head over straight to the P2P menu. Now over to the P2P menu, you have to click on the sell. And once you click on the sell menu, you have options to sell. If you notice very well, the buy amount is different from the sell amount. So for instance, if you want to sell over 100,000 again, let's go for 100,000. All right, and I click on it right now. You're going to notice right here, once I select the bank I want to use, all right, you're going to notice right here that the prices are not the same. All right, most of these prices are not the same. This one is selling for 1,539, and you can see 1,540. If you scroll down, you get to see right here that the prices are not going to be the same with the amount you're actually buying it for. So if you come to the buy section, you can see right here they start with 1,400, 1,540, 1,540. But if you come to the sell, it starts with 1,539. So these are little differences that help people that are doing P2P trades to make profit. So if you want to actually generate profit from here, it is very simple. Now let me teach you guys how to send your cryptocurrency over from your spot and over to your funding. It's very simple. If you come to the assets menu right here, you see options that are provided: deposit, withdrawal, transfer, and convert. Now the deposit section provides you different methods to deposit into your account. You have options to deposit crypto. If you want to send through crypto from other wallets, you can actually come over here and deposit. So if I come to my account, for instance, and I want to deposit, you can click on any of this cryptocurrency, I use it to my Bybit account. All right, I'll click on the USDT, for instance. So if you have USDT in your Trust Wallet, and for instance you want to send your USDT from your Trust Wallet to your Bybit account, you have to come over here. If you click on it, and then you're going to be able to see different networks that are provided. You have USDT under TRC20, Ethereum, you have on BNB, so you can select within any of these. Remember, they had different confirmation amounts. So this one right here, the TRC20 gets over 20 confirmation, this one over 60 confirmation. All right, once you click on it, they get to provide you their wallet address. All right, let me show you. So you can see this is what they call wallet address. Click on this icon, you copy out your wallet address, and you can easily get to send out this wallet address, or you can take it to the other wallet and also get to send the cryptocurrency you want to send over. Back to the deposit again. If you want to also see deposit, you can use your P2P trading section, which I recently just explained to you guys. And the last option right here is you buying through the NGN, or you can actually buy through your debit or credit card. So this is what you're going to be seeing right here. So this is your Visa, MasterCard, or your JCB, which are supported. So if you click on this, they'll provide you options to make your trades through this menu right here. These are the options that are provided. So these are all pending submission, which you can basically see. Now if you want fiat, if you want one click, if you want P2P menu, every single thing, so Bybit card, every other single thing, you can basically work with that. All right, so you can input your card details and every other single thing, input the amount you basically want to add up, and this gets to add it up. Now this video particularly is about how to basically make use of Bybit account. So I'm teaching you guys a step-by-step guide right now, and I hope you all basically are enjoying this video. Click on the withdraw menu, for instance. All right, if you want to use the withdraw menu, you can click on the withdraw menu. This withdraw menu gets to show you guys the available cryptocurrency you have on your funding account, and you can send it over. All right, you also see the fiat menu, which are provided. So these are basically fiat which are provided on the Bybit account. Now for you to transfer from your funding account to your spot account, these are options that you can basically do. So if you check right here, you're going to be seeing right here that we'll have the funding account at the top. They'll have the on file on trading account. This is our spot account section. So any amount I basically get to like type in right here, if I have cryptocurrency on any of these wallet, I can basically send over. If I have cryptocurrency on any of these wallets, I can basically send it over to the next wallet. So the one at the top get to send to the one down. All right. And if I click right here, I can basically send from the one down to the one at the top. So you can see right here. So from the spot account to the funding account. So if you want to actually change it, all right, you click on this icon right here and they get to interchange. So you can see from the funding account now to the spot account. And the balance you basically have in that account automatically gets to show right down below here. So if you want to make use of the Bybit account correctly, there are a whole lot of options for you. You can basically use the Bybit account. Also, if you use them correctly, they get to open up a space for you. You can get the Bybit card. And mind you, you can use this Bybit card for any payment online, which is very, very important because a whole lot of people might actually have problem making payment online. You can use your Bybit card to make payments online, and it is very simple. Also, you get a cash payback for using the Bybit card, which helps you to also stack up some different amount of cryptocurrency for yourself. Watch this video completely. If you're enjoying it, give it a like, let me know in the comment section, and stay tuned for other videos about this. So in my next video, I'll show you guys how to basically make money through other opportunities that are available on the Bybit options, all right, such as the staking, such as the playing games or the reward sections, every other single method you can easily think of. I will be making a playlist like I told you guys, and I hope you're enjoying this video. Peace out, guys.